Welcome to today's pre-market briefing from the Expert Trade Ideas team. It's Tuesday, June 17th, and all eyes are locked on the 2 p.m. ET FOMC event. The Federal Reserve's economic projections and rate decision drop this afternoon. With liquidity compressed, internals fragile, and volatility on the verge of release, this is not a normal session. This is the calm before a potentially violent market repricing. As of this morning, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures are pushing slightly higher, but the advanced decline line is sharply negative, and NYSE internals point to institutional selling under the surface. On the volatility front, VIX remains elevated above 20, and VVIX signals the hedging tail is still wagging the dog. All this tells us trading the open means managing risk tightly, and momentum-based setups will need confirmation with volume and structural price behavior. We've reviewed all the data, and here are the 5 highest quality names on watch today for day trades, based on pre-market volume, volatility, and technical clarity. First up, QUBT, Quantum Computing Inc. This name is showing a classic breakout setup above key VWAP in yesterday's pivot zone. If it holds above $20, it's got range into 21.2022 and 23.50. But if it cracks back below 1970, it may unwind fast. Tight risk around VWAP. Second, SEDG, SolarEdge Technologies, a high beta tech name with clean structure. Price is pressing just below key pivot levels, and any reclaim of 1675 could trigger a sharp run toward 18 and beyond. If it fails, it's a short candidate back to 1430 or lower. Watch for reversal traps here. Third, SMR, NuScale Power. We like the tight coil just above VWAP. It's a breakout watch above 41 with upside to 42.25, 43.6, and 45. Below 39.80, we fade back into yesterday's range. The setup is clean, especially for traders who prefer symmetrical setups with controlled risk. Fourth, ASTS Space Mobile. This one's gapping down with volume, but showing signs of reclaim. If it clears 40.50, we could see a snapback squeeze to 43 or even 44.50. Failure to reclaim could drag us down to 36.90. Fade or trap reversal. Both scenarios are in play here. And fifth, OKLO Inc., a breakout setup holding strong above VWAP and pivot. If it stays above 65, it could extend towards 66.30, 68, or even 70.50. But if it slips under 63.50, we look to the downside for a potential unwind to 59.90. Key zone to manage risk, 63.80 to 64.20. Today is a binary setup day. Expect two-sided action this morning, with many players stepping aside until the Fed. Be cautious at the open and aggressive only when your trade confirms, with volume, structure, and key levels lining up. This is where precision matters. If you're struggling to make sense of the summer chop, or you want to sharpen your edge before the next big move, we're currently offering live trader coaching at our special summer hourly rate, designed to help serious traders upgrade fast. Follow us, share this briefing, and if you're ready to trade smarter, not harder, reach out to book your summer coaching call now. From all of us at Expert Trade Ideas, trade sharp, stay disciplined, and we'll see you in the market.